नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं अनिरुद्ध, आप सभी का द सिविल गुरुजी और स्वैग से स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पे। सो टुडे इन द इंटरव्यू सीरीज वी हैव आवर स्पेशल गेस्ट, जिसका नाम आप सभी लोग जान चुके हैं फ्रॉम द थंबनेल्स एंड नाउ अर्लियर पोस्ट्स। दैट्स माय फ्रेंड साइन. He is currently with me, and with first of all a big heartiest congratulations to you for grabbing the highest package from our batch. ऐसे क्या बनता है क्या?
Thank you for inviting me to your show. I'm very grateful. Thank you.
Yes. So Abhivi, I think he's in the interview mode. So just being a little bit formal.
Yeah.
So actually, he has a very good ability to switch. अभी जिस तरीके से हम बात कर रहे थे just before starting of this interview, that was completely different from the way in which we are going to talk right now. तो जो भी है खैर, straight away getting into the points, 2-3 things I'm going to ask you, which is the students' questions actually. जितने सारे मेरे students है, हजारों इसके viewers है मेरे channels के और grade up के बहुत सारे students who are actually keen to ask you a few questions. Firstly, many people have this kind of doubt, that after getting into IIT Bombay also, कुछ ऐसे चीजें होता है कि भाई environment में मैं जाऊं या फिर नहीं जाऊं, environmental engineering m.tech. Okay. So may I ask you this question actually first, that suddenly why did you grab this particular environmental engineering?
Oh, that's a difficult question. But my dream was to come to IIT Bombay. Like my dream was to enter IIT, which I couldn't.
And your strategies also for GATE preparation, if you would like to share.
Yeah, strategy was for GATE preparation and coming into IIT. So my two main subjects were, one was structural engineering and one was environment. Unfortunately or fortunately, I was not able to crack the structural interview of IIT Bombay. But again, fortunately, I was able to crack the interview for environment. Okay. So yeah, then I got into environment, and yeah, that's the only thing.
No, so what was your GATE preparation strategy? Would you like to share?
GATE preparation strategy. Yeah. So actually, I had joined GATE Forum and I had studied there for 1 year.
Now, and, so that is almost, abolished, abundant.
I don't want to.
That is not existent. Yeah,
that is not existent. But
I was also once a faculty of that.
Yeah, I know. Ex-faculty.
Yeah.
But truly speaking, I did not study for GATE throughout my 1 year. I was only serious for the last 3 or 4 months. And my only strategy was that I used to solve a lot of questions. I studied less, but concentrated more on solving questions. So I had taken 2 test series. Mainly one was the GATE Forum and the other was Made Easy. So my main focus was on, firstly, I gave many sectional tests. It had many questions on different sections like hydrology, steel structures, environment, water, and those things. And after I was confident about the sectional subjects, after I had revised those concepts and those things, then I had switched on to the full length test. And the last 1.5 months, I was completely focused on giving the full length test.
Full length test only.
So that, because I think that it is a 3-hour exam. So you need to concentrate fully for that entire 3 hours. So for that, I feel it is very essential to give full length test regularly and thoroughly, like very seriously, because you have to sit at a constant place for 3 hours. You may feel like being sleepy or getting hungry. I faced those difficulties when I started giving those tests.
Initially, yeah.
Eventually out of that habit, it went out.
Yeah.
So I feel that test series was very helpful for me, and I would highly suggest to take up test series and practice them thoroughly.
Yeah. So currently, Grade Up is also offering test series. अभी तो क्या हो गया कि पूरा का पूरा माहौल ही जो है वो ऑनलाइन हो चुका है. The full thing has been shifted
मैंने
towards.
भी Grade Up से प्रैक्टिस किया है.
Okay, that's nice.
उस टाइम पे तो शायद कुछ फ्री ऐप था Grade Up का.
या अभी भी फ्री में बहुत सारे फीचर्स है.
अभी भी
कुछ
फ्री में है,
फ्री है, कुछ पेड है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. या
अच्छा. तो कुछ क्विजेस आते थे, स्ट्रक्चर के क्वेश्चन का क्विज. तो उससे मुझे भी आइडिया मिलता था कि व्हाट इज माय स्टैंड अमंग अदर स्टूडेंट्स, क्योंकि रैंक भी मिलते थे.
हाँ, yeah. So you are saying about some quizzes and stuff. So that has helped you to get into IIT. So that was the part which is required to get into IIT. But after that,
not really get into IIT, but I would say to crack the GATE examination with some good marks and good score.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
actually,
and
what?
obviously,
Hmm.
and that is to get into IIT. Yeah. So,
So so your first goal was obviously placement. I think that's why you have joined IIT Bombay,
no,
leaving
I
other
did not
IITs.
comment.
Because what I felt कि जैसे your preference was structure and environment, two very entirely different topics, just
Exactly.
like North Pole and South Pole, right?
Not in South Pole, right?
So you could have got some other intermediate branches also in some other IITs
Exactly. And I got
with your
also.
GATE score. Yeah, definitely. So you have chosen IIT Bombay so that I think you have a thought about placement
Hmm.
and something like that.
Like placement was not my sole intention because I feel that IIT Bombay is like, that brand of IIT Bombay
Yeah.
and also experiencing the life of Mumbai because
Mm-hmm.
I love that city personally. So that's why IIT Bombay had a lot of factors for me choosing IIT Bombay because I also got an offer from IIT Kharagpur,
Yeah.
which was very close to my home, close to my parents and family. But still I preferred IIT Bombay because वो एक नाम होता है ना IIT Bombay का.
वही same. It's a dream kind of एक होता है.
Yeah, dream kind of thing. Exactly.
Yeah,
IIT
exactly.
Bombay just उसका कुछ अलग ही महत्व है ऐसा.
जलवा है कुछ.
जलवा है हाँ वो तो है ही.
So okay, fine. So that was all about your how to get into IIT, and after that, you know how to stand apart, actually, how to stand out, because many people have got the packages. Almost everybody had got into the placement and stuff. They have grabbed packages of say 8 lakh, 10 lakh, somebody 12 lakh, 14 lakh, 15 lakh. Okay, but you have got a sudden leap of a huge leap, actually, and you have got 32 LPA package, and again, congratulations to you for that.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
And so what extra did you do, actually, had you done over there apart from your regular course curricula? क्योंकि सर कोर्स करिकुलम जो हमारे थे, एक्चुअली ऑन दैट ओकेजन सिर्फ कोर्स करिकुलम के ऊपर बेस करके तो इट्स इम्पॉसिबल to crack
Yeah.
the interviews of this kind of company. So what extra did you do? Would you like to share?
So firstly, like when I came into IIT, मतलब जैसे मैंने बोला प्लेसमेंट मेरा सोल वो नहीं था. But when I came into IIT, I got exposure to some of our seniors from our department, as well as from some other departments like computer science, IT. तो उससे मुझे एक आइडिया मिला कि उनसे बात करके बहुत बात किया था मैंने और हम लोगों ने काफी दोस्त हैं. तो वी गॉट द आइडिया दैट IIT बॉम्बे में अगर आपका थोड़ा सा स्किल सेट आपने इम्प्रूव किया, थोड़ा अपग्रेड किया, तो जॉब मिलना बहुत ही आसान है. आसान है कि ऐसे ही आपको नहीं मिलेगा. ऑब्वियसली
हाँ,
यू हैव टू
सबको इस लेवल का जॉब नहीं मिलता है, डेफिनेटली,
वर्क.
obviously, but yeah, it's easy to get a job if you have a certain skills.
यस.
Yeah.
एंड और अगर आपने थोड़ा सा रिसर्च किया है तो अभी जो डिमांड है वर्ल्ड में, दैट इज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, कोडिंग, वेब डेवलपमेंट, मशीन लर्निंग, डीप लर्निंग एंड दोस थिंग्स. और मेरा ऐसा है कि बचपन से ही मुझे थोड़ा कंप्यूटर साइंस का भी शौक था. मुझे कंप्यूटर साइंस लेना भी था. वो नहीं लिया, उसका अलग टॉपिक है, वो बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. तो मैंने सोचा कि अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी है, मैं अपना स्किल सेट थोड़ा डेवलप कर सकता हूँ in parallel to my academic work. So why not take the chance? And if it's an opportunity in front of your hands, you should at least try for it. तो मैंने कुछ कोर्सेज किए थे.
So that was online courses you have
It was
done?
online, fully online. एक मैंने ऑफलाइन कोर्स किया था, but that was an institute elective course. Risk analysis.
Acha, so that involved also coding and stuffs that you had done in IIT itself.
Yeah. That was some non-code background. उसमें थोड़ा exposure.
Karmakar sir had taken, right?
Karmakar sir, yeah, exactly. Yes, he's from our department. तो मैंने कुछ कोर्सेज किए थे ऑनलाइन, जैसे कोर्सेरा हो गया, यूडेमी हो गई, फिर इडियोनिक्स हो गया, और सबसे बाप यूट्यूब तो है ही. उसमें बहुत सारे लेक्चर्स अवेलेबल है. आपको पैसा इन्वेस्ट भी नहीं करना है, तो इतने लेक्चर्स अवेलेबल है दैट यू कैन डू इट फॉर फ्री. बट यू शुड इन्वेस्ट बिकॉज वो सर्टिफिकेट अगर
matter also, I think, that you have done a course.
मैटर, रेज्यूमे वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और मुझे लगता है रेज्यूमे प्रिपरेशन भी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज a company will firstly judge you by your resume. Like screening process में resume देखते हैं सबसे पहले. तो बुलेट पॉइंट्स हाईलाइट करना, कौन सा इंपॉर्टेंट है क्या नहीं है, फैक्ट लाइक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स होते हैं ना रिपोर्ट में, रेज्यूमे में, तो वो बनाना. उसमें आईआईटी बॉम्बे ने काफी हेल्प किया था. उसमें काफी सेमिनार्स हुआ था, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर अ गुड रेज्यूमे एंड दोस थिंग्स. तो उससे मुझे हेल्प मिला था. हाँ तो वही है, preparing a good resume, developing your skill set,
So
and then
just being a little bit particular that you
yeah.
are told about programming languages that you have learned a lot of programming languages. So which programming languages should students emphasize a little bit more?
Um, I think Python is the current programming language which students should emphasize on.
Python.
Like I myself in my school days, I learned Java and C++.
वो
But
तो एक अलग
now,
कहानी होता था उसका.
अलग कहानी. बट अभी इधर आने के बाद और थोड़ा सा जॉब एक्सपीरियंस लेने के बाद मुझे लगता है कि Python is very important in the industrial world nowadays.
Okay.
So I think अगर कोई स्टूडेंट प्रोग्रामिंग वर्ल्ड में एंटर कर रहे हैं, so he or she can start with Python and it is easier also.
अच्छा,
उसका
Python
यूजर इंटर
is a must actually. But and
is a
apart
must.
from that, Python के साथ और कुछ?
पाइथन के साथ तो बहुत कुछ है, जावा है, C++ है,
मतलब
MongoDB,
no,
Django, whatnot.
those are all required, right? वो भी
Those are all
required.
required, but at least you can start with Python if you are
अच्छा
not into
अच्छा.
the programming
Okay.
background. Yeah.
And apart from that, you have told about machine learning and artificial intelligence. These two other things.
Machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning.
Deep learning. अच्छा. So
And
ये
also one of the
चीजों पे
things I would like to say is web development. It is very
web
much in market
development.
nowadays.
Okay. So everything, you can see that Sign is what's he's sharing actually, that online courses are available or YouTube से भी आप कुछ ना कुछ सीख सकते हो. तो do all these things in parallel. Don't waste your time. That's the main thing. After getting into IITs also many people think that हाँ मेरे अब तो job लग ही जाएगा. हाँ sir, job लग सकता है आपको, लेकिन if you really want to upgrade yourself to this level what he has achieved, so you have to you know utilize your time well actually.
Yeah,
Definitely,
you have to
it's not like that.
balance
It's
both
not
of
like
them.
that he didn't have fun. Obviously, we had a lot of fun, in our college days, in our m.tech days. But yes, parallelly, he had also done this particular things. He's currently posted in Japan
Yeah.
also. So tell me something about there actually. Matlab, how is it different, from
Japan.
India and stuff? Huh?
Mm, I would say it is different from a lot of things.
Yeah.
One thing is the noise. I can say that there is no background noise here. It is
Okay.
very quiet and very peaceful, firstly. Secondly, people बहुत disciplined है इधर. बहुत ही मतलब बहुत ज्यादा. अभी इधर किसी को बोलना नहीं पड़ता कि आप सोशल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करो मार्केट में, वो वैसे ही खड़े होंगे
Okay.
खुद का 1 मीटर डिस्टेंस वो करके. तो डिसिप्लिन है, सेफ है, पोल्यूशन तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ.
Great.
और करियर वाइज भी बहुत अच्छा कंट्री है अगर आपको ग्रोथ चाहिए तो.
Okay.
इफ यू वांट टू कम टू जापान यू आर ऑलवेज वेलकम.
Great. Great.
Yep.
So the company you are working for is
Hitachi.
Hitachi, right?
Yep.
So you people have got the idea definitely. So any last message? मैं ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं करूँगा interview को. So any last
Sure.
message that you would give to the students, to my viewers, and a lot of people who are watching you out there?
I think most of your viewers are preparing for GATE, right?
GATE, and yes, and all these competitive
Yeah.
examination, GATE, engineering service, and state, whatever the examinations are actually competitive.
So I would like to say that like study less, solve more. Study less, solve more questions. Study less, solve more test papers, previous year question papers. और एक चीज जो मैंने फॉलो किया था, that is preparation of short notes. मेरे घर में एक टाइम पे इतना बंडल बन गया था शॉर्ट नोट का, मेरी मम्मी बोलती थी अब इसको कब फेंकना है. तो शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाओ क्योंकि आई थिंक इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि सब चीज आपको याद भी नहीं होता है. तो आफ्टर एवरी 15 days यू कैन स्टार्ट रिवाइजिंग योर शॉर्ट नोट्स, तो आपको याद रहेगा.
Yes,
और
good.
क्या बता
Yeah.
सकते हो, just stay motivated, have a belief that you can crack it, and
Great.
all the best to you people, all your viewers and subscribers. Thank you.
Okay, okay. So thank you,
And it was
Sayan.
so nice talking to you after such a long time.
हाँ यार, बहुत दिनों के बाद हम मिले ऐसे. So it's very nice to have you on board. Okay.
Thank you so much, Aniruddha
So
sir. And please, और हाँ एक चीज तो भूल ही गया मैं.
क्या हो गया?
मैसेज देना था मुझे.
अच्छा अच्छा.
तो अगर आपको ग्रेड क्रैक करना है तो जरूर अनिरुद्ध सर का वीडियोस देखिए, बहुत ही हेल्पफुल है. मैंने खुद भी देखा है, खुद भी कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स मेरा क्लियर नहीं था, मैंने उससे भी क्लियर किया है गेट क्रैक करने के बाद. तो आप जरूर देखिए उनका वीडियोस, बहुत हेल्प मिलेगा आपको. थैंक यू.
तो ये तो मतलब अलग ही लेवल का मुझे एक अचीवमेंट मिला है. ये एक फीडबैक मिला कि कोई गेट क्रैक करने के बाद भी मेरे वीडियो देखते.
नहीं, मुझे डाउट हुआ था जब मैं एमटेक में था ना कोर्स में, एयर
हाँ
पोल्यूशन
एक्चुअली
के
यू
कोई
नो
टॉपिक
दैट
पढ़ा।
वाज अ वेरी ह्यूज स्टोरी, मतलब गेट एमटेक में तो ऐसा होता था कि आई यूज्ड टू टीच अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल
हाँ
आउट देयर।
एग्जैक्टली।
हाँ
मुझे
एग्जैक्टली।
क्लास का टीचर का समझ में नहीं आया, तो मैंने तुम्हारा वो देखा, प्लूम बिहेवियर,
अच्छा
और मैं
हाँ
भूल भी गया था कॉन्सेप्ट, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे देख के। इसलिए आई वुड रिकमेंड एवरीवन, प्लीज देखिए उनका वीडियोस, अनिरुद्ध
थैंक यू
सर का।
थैंक यू थैंक यू everybody, okay,
थैंक यू।
for watching it, and do hit the subscribe button and do it the like button once definitely for Sayan and once definitely for me, मतलब 2 बार मत दबा देना तो फिर लाइक नहीं होता है वो okay, yes, and do share this session definitely with other people so that they can also have a clear idea about the current placement scenario and what are the things which are do's and don'ts after getting into MTech. Okay, bye bye, thank you everybody, bye.
थैंक यू। थैंक यू।